Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at my face routine both in the morning and the evening. I'm really excited to show this to you today. So let's get started. So each morning I wash my face with Young Living's Orange Blossom Face Wash. This is an incredible face wash that's good for a normal to oily skin, and I typically have a pretty oily skin and it's done wonders for me. This, some people might think could be a little bit harsh, but I will say, having dealt with some hormonal acne and some adult acne last year, this was powerful in helping to clear that up. So whether you're in your teens or you're in your 60s, this is definitely a face wash that I would take a look at. I do this one every morning. Now I will say they have a really nice orange blossom moisturizer, which I do use on occasion, but I'm going to show you guys some of my special recipes of oil mixtures that I pretty much are my go-tos all the time. So again, this is my face wash in the morning. If I want to use a like a toner of sorts, Melrose oil is my go-to. And you can put that in a glass bottle if you want to. And I'll just put a little bit on a cotton swab, and wet my face off with it. And I don't even do this all the time. This is just sort of when I feel like I need to use a little bit of astringent. So after I wash my face with my Orange Blossom Face Wash in the morning, then I use my tincture of essential oils and a carrier oil blend. And right now, my favorite morning routine is lavender oil, Australian Caranya oil, and copaiba oil. So what I typically do right now, 1-1-1 ratio, I'll do 40 drops of each oil inside my glass bottle that you can get on Amazon. And then I fill the rest of it with a carrier oil. There are many wonderful carrier oils. My personal favorite is emu oil, which is phenomenal for your hair, your skin, and your nails. The brand is not so important to me as long as you make sure that it's 100% pure emu oil. There's a lot of yucky stuff out there. Another one of my favorite carrier oils is rosehip seed oil, which is phenomenal for your skin. I also really am fond of hazelnut oil right now. Unless you have nut allergy, don't do that. So I'll fill my bottle up, and after I wash my face and just very, very gently pat it dry, take the dropper, and I'll usually put 2 to 3 drops in my fingers, rub it in my fingertips, and then I rub it around my face in a circular motion, in my cheeks and my forehead. I rub it up and down my nose, over the top of my mouth, and around my chin and under my chin. For those of us who are getting older, your neck and your chest also really need love. When I was a little girl, I remember my grandmother telling me, you know, you're going to get this flabby neck and it's really dry, loose skin on your chest when you get older. I didn't think it was real. It's real. So when you have any leftover, never try to rub oil off on a towel. Don't waste your precious, precious oil. Rub it in. Rub it into your skin. Rub it into your hands. Rub it onto your shoulders. Rub it onto your forearms or ashy elbows. Rub it there as well. So this is my typical morning routine. If you are like me and you sweat a lot throughout the day, you know, you don't want to dry out your skin too much, but I do want to keep my skin clean. So if I happen to need to do a second wash on my face throughout the day, I'll use my Orange Blossom Face Wash, and that's when I'll typically go to my Orange Blossom Moisturizer as the second moisturizing regimen. Now, what do I do at night? So my nighttime routine is vastly different than my daytime routine. I have a separate dropper bottle for this. And right now, these are my absolute favorites. Well, not even right now, just forever and ever and ever. So we have patchouli oil, cedarwood oil, and bergamot oil. Now, one thing to stress about bergamot oil, it is a citrus oil, and as with all citrus oils, you really don't want to apply it onto any part of your skin and then go out into the sun, which is one reason my bergamot oil is always part of my nighttime routine. Bergamot oil is phenomenal and powerful for getting rid of any kind of acne, and as a person with adult acne, this was really the only thing that made the biggest difference. Well, this concoction of cedarwood, bergamot, and patchouli oil. So I put in, again, 1-1-1 ratio. I'll do 40-40-40 drops. And then sometimes I'll fill it up with carrier oil, but for whatever reason, I like to have my carrier oil in my daytime routine, but I like to actually just have the oil by itself in my nighttime routine because I'm about to go to bed. And so what I typically do at night after I wash my face with my mint scrub, my mint facial scrub. This one I really prefer to use at night. You can play around with when you use which ones, but I do feel that the Orange Blossom Face Wash really cleanses my skin and gets me ready for the day. And this kind of helps me clean my pores, and it helps to open my pores. So then when I put just the essential oils into my face, again, I'll take the dropper bottle, I'll put 2 drops into my fingers, maybe 3, and then I really gently rub my entire face with it. I let it sit and soak into my face for about a minute, and then I'll add my carrier oil at the end. So it's just a little bit different routine because I'm not gonna be going out into the sun, but more importantly, I'm not just gonna be going out into the environment and be communicating with other people. It's a time for my skin to really absorb this stuff. So I give it the opportunity to do that. So this is pretty much my routine on average, but there are many other oils and other videos that we're gonna explore that we can look at for spot treating things, for specifically targeting melasma, which I have, skin spots, skin tags, so many things. And Young Living, if you can tell, is truly my product of choice. The renewal serum, I forgot to mention, is something that every 2 to 3 days in the evening, I'll put this on, wait a few minutes, and then I'll put on my essential oil blend, wait a minute, and put my carrier oil on. So that's like my nighttime routine a couple days a week. Again, there's many other things that we're going to discuss in future videos, so be sure to click that subscribe button and also hit the little bell so that you get the next videos in your inbox as we prepare to show you so many more different products for your skin, your body, and your health and wellness. Thank you so very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below. Tell me about your face routine. What's worked best for you? And what's your favorite essential oil for your face, specifically anti-aging? I'm really curious to know. As I'm getting older, it's kind of important. Again, always thank you so much for watching the videos. I absolutely love making them. I wanted to really quickly tell you about Young Living's newest diffuser. It's their lantern diffuser, and I'm totally obsessed with it. So please hop on Young Living's website and check out the diffuser. If you are kind of new into Young Living or essential oils in general, I absolutely would be honored to help you guys. So comment below that you want some help, and I'll get you started in the world of Young Living essential oils. Have a great day.